Hello. Monday brought most of the UK plenty of sunshine, but it certainly felt cold. We had a frosty start in places and temperatures stayed well below average. A real change of fortunes compared with the mild weather we've seen for most of the month. Cold northerly or northwesterly winds are going to stay with us for most of the week. It's only really until we get towards Friday and the weekend that we see a recovery of temperatures. And with these north to northwesterly winds with us, there is the risk of some settling snow, particularly but not exclusively to the hills of northern Scotland. Now, we are looking at a cold start to the day Tuesday morning, a widespread frost across northeastern areas, a patchy frost even possible in parts of the south. And into this cold air moves an area of low pressure. It's quite a weak area of low pressure. It's going to be bringing us a mixture of rain, some sleet and some hill snow. Now, the greatest chance of seeing some snow will be across the northern flank of this area of low pressure. So that puts the snow mostly in the hills of Scotland, where there is a risk of some icy surfaces. I think across the southern side of the low pressure system, you're much more likely to see outbreaks of rain. And although it's cold, temperatures around 5 to 8 degrees Celsius, not exactly conducive to bringing snow for many of us by the time we get to the afternoon. Now, for Tuesday night time, we start to see that low pressure move its way through and colder air will start to return from the north. With that comes an increasing threat of seeing some snow showers, even potentially to some low elevations in northern Scotland. So again, I think ice could well be the main risk factor as we head towards Wednesday morning. Wednesday and Thursday, this much colder air will be spilling down. You can see the isobars coming straight down from polar regions, so cold air with us. Many inland areas on Wednesday will have sunshine, showers draped around coastal areas, and yes, if you are over the hills, and modest hills at that, you're likely to see some snow at times, and potentially also a bit of snow towards the east coast of Scotland and England. You might even see a bit of winteriness in the showers just clipping into western parts of Wales, Cornwall, and the far east of Kent as well. That is possible. But I think it's across northern Scotland that we'll see the largest accumulations of snow Wednesday night and into Thursday. Could be looking at as much as 15 to 20 centimetres above 300 metres elevation. So they are quite high elevations to see that much snow. Thursday, those showers continue to feed in on this brisk and cold northerly wind. Again, showers not just across Scotland, but also running into eastern areas of England with a bit of a mixture there. Some rain, some sleet and some snow. Our temperatures staying well below average, 4 to 7 Celsius. The average of this time of the year is more like 9 to 12. So it is going to be another cold day, but potentially one of the last cold days, because towards Friday, we start to get this weather system moving in off the Atlantic. We get some milder air moving in from the west. So after a cold and frosty start to the day on Friday, as this cloud builds in from the west, we'll see the winds strengthen, coming in more from a southerly direction, and outbreaks of rain will start to push in as well. The temperatures recovering by the end of the day, probably to reach double figures across parts of western Scotland, but still quite chilly across central and eastern England, eastern areas of Scotland. By the weekend, though, the milder air has spread across all areas. With the milder air, though, comes cloud and outbreaks of rain. And next week, okay, temperatures are probably running at or below average for the time of year, so it'll still be on the cool side, but not as cold as this week.